The US dollar is rising against its major rivals in anticipation of US inflation data and the European Central Bank meeting. Besides, trading volumes are increasing in the Asian session on Tuesday. Let's look at the current situation in the market and make our own forecast. The US dollar index still lacks drivers to move higher. However, in the medium term, its rally is inevitable. Since yesterday's decline, the US dollar index has slightly strengthened and reached the level of 90.15. Following the release of non-farm payrolls data on Friday, US Treasuries got stuck near their recent lows, pushing the US dollar down. Investors are now waiting for the publication of the Consumer Price Index report, which is due on Thursday. It may help traders pick up a trajectory for the greenback. The forecast is positive, which is bullish for the US dollar. For this reason, it's likely to be trading in the current range with the possibility of growth to 90.30. At the same time, the US dollar lost 28 pips against the yen yesterday. The daily low was located at 109.40. Today, the dollar-yen pair rose slightly in the Asian session. The quote may well reach the target level of 110.47. In this case, the main catalyst for the growth is the rally of the greenback. Even upbeat data on Japan's GDP for the first quarter did not help the yen advance against the US dollar. In the first quarter of 2021, Japan's GDP totaled -1%, which was slightly better than forecast. However, this positive data did not have a significant impact on the yen. Yesterday, the Aussie gained 19 pips. It means that it's slowly but surely approaching the target level of 0.7795. If the price breaks above yesterday's high of 0.7767, it's highly likely to rebound this level. If not, the quote may decline to 0.7680. At the moment, there is no market-driven news from Australia or China, so it's better to focus on the forecast and the trajectory of the US dollar index. As long as the greenback grows, the Aussie will lose ground, and that's what we have factored in our forecast. Now, investors are awaiting US inflation data, which is on tap on Thursday. Analysts predict an acceleration in annual inflation by the end of May. In April, inflation hit an all-time high since September 2008. If the reading is high again, this will have a considerable impact on the currency market. Stay up to date with the latest market events and do not miss our next video review. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.